Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a delicious Eid special dessert using chana dal and milk. Soft, rich and full of traditional flavor, this sweet is perfect for Eid celebration and family gathering. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 cups chana dal and soak it in water for 2 to 3 hours. Chana dal sweets are very popular in South Asian festival. Wash well and pour it into a pan. Add 2 cups milk and 1 cup water. Stir occasionally. A pinch of salt, 1 small cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom. Cook until the dal becomes soft. Let it cool completely. Transfer the mixture to a blender. Add half cup milk. Milk makes the dessert soft and creamy. And blend until smooth. Blend the mixture well to avoid grainy texture. Heat 1/3 cup ghee in a pan. Add the blended dal mixture and cook on low heat while stirring continuously. Slow roasting in ghee gives a rich traditional flavor. Roast for 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture becomes thick and aromatic. Add 1½ cup sugar and mix well. Cook for another 5 minutes. Grease oil in a mold. Grease the mold well for easy cutting. And spread the mixture evenly. Cool for 1 hour until set. Cut into pieces and garnish with raisin on top. These sweets can be stored for several days. Chana dal provides protein and fiber. Milk adds calcium and nutrition. Ghee gives energy and traditional flavor. Homemade sweets avoid artificial preservatives. Your Eid special chana dal dessert is ready. Soft, rich and full of festive flavor. Perfect for Eid gathering and celebration. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more festive dessert.